Welcome! Today we will learn how to do the front post double crochet and the back post double crochet. Front post double crochet stitch is abbreviated, FPDC, and back post double crochet stitch is abbreviated, BPDC. And their symbols as appears on the screen. Front post double crochet is basically a normal double crochet, but it's pushed forward and popping on the front side. So when we work rows of front post double crochets, we'll get a vertical rib as we see here. And if we looked on the back, let's get the other one. If we did it on the front side, it will be the front post double crochet. And if we did it on the back side, it'll be a back post double crochet. So when we work a row on the front side and a row on the back side, we'll end up with posts on both front and the back sides. So let's get started. I already worked a row of double crochets. I'll start with 3 chains. Yarn over to start the double crochet. To do a double crochet, we're supposed to insert the hook into the V shape of the stitch below. But we won't do it. Instead, insert the hook around the whole double crochet stitch itself, from behind it. Then yarn over and pull the yarn from behind the stitch. So we had the 3 loops on the hook, then we continued working the post. But we did it around the stitch, so it pushed it forward. Now I'll do a normal double crochet to see the difference between them. This is the next stitch. Insert the hook from behind it as we see. This is how the hook should be. Then yarn over and pull through so the yarn goes around the stitch. And continue the normal steps of the double crochet. I'll do another normal double crochet here. Then a front post double crochet in the next stitch. Then another normal double crochet. And a front post double crochet by inserting the hook from behind the stitch so it's pushed forward. Then yarn over and pull the yarn from behind the stitch. Finish the steps of the front post double crochet and do another normal double crochet. Then a front post double crochet. We insert the hook and pull the yarn from behind the stitch. Now we can see the normal double crochet stitches are not popping. But the front post double crochet stitches formed a vertical rib. So this was the front post double crochet. Let's see the back post double crochet. We'll start with 3 chains. This is the post we did and we'll work the next stitch around it. Now yarn over to start the back post double crochet. Then insert the hook into here. So the stitch got shoved back and will pop on the back side. So when I look at it from the front, I'll see that the stitch is pushed back. And on the other side the stitch is popping because we inserted the hook in front of it. Then yarn over and pull the yarn from behind the stitch. Now we'll notice that the stitch is shoved back. and the yarn has gone around it. Then we continue to finish the post. I'll also do a normal double crochet here to see the difference between them. Now this is the next stitch, let's make it more clear. Yarn over. And insert the hook behind the stitch. So it's popping on the other side. The rib on the front side is the pulled-in bit on the other side. And another normal double crochet. Now insert the hook around the next stitch and do the back post double crochet. So the hook push it back on the other side, then yarn over and pull through. And continue the post. Then another normal double crochet. This is the next stitch. Insert the hook into here, yarn over and pull through. And a normal double crochet. Insert the hook into here, then yarn over and pull the yarn around this stitch. And a normal double crochet. Now let's look on the front side here. You'll notice the stitches we did the back post double crochet in were shoved back. So from the front side we'll see it's pushed back a bit. And this is the normal double crochet. And this is a back post double crochet and it's shoved back. And this is the normal double crochet. And this is how the rib looks on the back side. Let's continue this one. I did a row of front post double crochets. Now chain 3 to start the next row. This one was a normal double crochet, so I'll do a double crochet here as well. The next one here was a front post double crochet. So to continue the pattern and do a vertical rib, I'll do a back post double crochet here. So if we started the first row with a front post double crochet, then we start the second row with a back post double crochet. This is a back post double crochet and this is a normal double crochet. So insert the hook around the stitch. Like so. This is a normal double crochet, so we do another double crochet here. And this is a back post double crochet. And another normal double crochet. And get the hook around the stitch to do the back post double crochet. Insert the hook into here. Then continue on. So as we said, we make a vertical rib on one side by doing front post double crochets. A rib like this. We started the first row with a front post, then flipped it and did a back post on the other side. And then we'll end up with this vertical rib as we see here. So a front post, then a back post, and so on. Thank you.